My wife is gone all day at a vendor event for her company that she works with, her nutrition company called It Works. And I actually, since I'm at home with all three girls, I thought this would be a really fun day to get more footage for another vlog. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is what I love about our kids is they always wake up super happy. They don't always stay that way, but they certainly wake up that way. Good morning. Can I have a hug?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you. How was your sleep?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to have a fun day?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go get your sister.
Yeah. What's Mom?
Mommy is at an event all day. We're going to go get her some lunch. Here she is. Here's the other one. Is she poopy? You better not be poopy. Good job, buddy. Good morning. You say good morning? Good morning. You guys happy? You ready to start the day? High five.
I'm happy.
High five. Yeah. Hit the rock. Hit the rock. Yeah. High five. Hit the rock. You want your headband back on?
Yeah.
All right. Wake up. There she is. Good morning. Good morning, buddy. Hi. Gemma. There she is. Hey. Good morning. Hi. Hi, buddy. You look so sleepy. It's time to start our day. You're so silly. Hi. You think that's funny?
Yeah.
She's just happy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. You scored. Hit it through. There you go.
Oh, so.
Here, throw Daddy the ball. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Watch out.
No, I found the one.
Watch out, buddy.
No,
Here we go.
no one.
3,
Hey,
2.
another fly.
Another fly.
Yeah. Stop it out.
Oh, yeah, there he is. He can't really swim because there's soap.
Yeah.
Alright, get back in. It's nice out today, huh? This bird that just landed next to us.
Did he break a wing? Like
I don't know. Jaden, look at the bird. Can you show her? She has no idea what's going on.
Jaden, look.
Jayla, chill out. Look at this bird. Holy cow.
Jaden, look at the bird. She doesn't get it.
Jaden, look. See the bird? Yeah. Pretty crazy. What's going on, bird?
Kayla, it's fine.
Out here at our house in the country, enjoying the nice weather. Lawn is mowed. Beautiful day, beautiful view. Country living. Apparently this bird is lost. Hey there, buddy. Hey, you guys settle down. I think he's having a hard time flying. Babe, there goes that bird. He's right there.
It's like a pterodactyl bird!
You want to do
Back.
some marshmallows?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey,
Is that even a question?
Ty, you want to get the sticks?
Yeah.
Do you know where my old edger is on the
Oh, you're
right-hand
taking
side
a video.
Yeah, I'm taking a video. You thought I was taking a picture?
So I'm like over here smiling, like, oh, what's the best angle? Like,
We see. Fire.
Fire!
Yep. It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
Summer starts tomorrow.
Let it go.
Well, we didn't have any footage to end the vlog, so I figured I'd come out here while the girls are drying off from being in the pool and just walking around out here next to the fields, and just say that we appreciate everybody tuning in and watching this. It was just a montage clip of some things we've recorded over the past few weeks during summer. Jayla says she wants to say hi. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yep. We appreciate everybody watching, and we hope to keep doing more of these vlogs. As you see, our family is very energetic and not camera shy at all. So if this is something you guys like, subscribe to the channel or like and share on Facebook, and we'll see where this journey goes. Thanks a lot. Peace. Can you say peace?
Peace.
Peace.
Pizza. Want a window.
Yep. What the heck? This is kind of nuts. Ohio weather. This is a road.